Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a really quick and easy way that you can cut a whole watermelon in a way that will be enough for everyone to get a slice, and it is very, very easy. So, if you guys want to see how I cut this watermelon, keep watching. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is take our watermelon. You guys can see the size that I have here. It's a pretty nice size, and it is around 1/long. You guys know there's two different kinds. They have the ones that look like the basketball. Then they have the really, really long ones. But like I said, I have the one that's in between. But you guys see what I have. But what we want to do is go ahead and just cut those ends off, because we are going to stand the watermelon up. And that's going to make it easier to slice the watermelon up, slice the watermelon up, and then cut it into the slices that you want to cut it into, whether that's thick, thin, or whatever you want to do. So again, go ahead and cut that in half, and you can try to cut it perfect. I don't think I did it that perfect, but it works, because either way it's gonna get eaten. Okay, so cut it in half, and then we're gonna go ahead and just work on one half, because we are gonna take one half, slide it to the side, get the other half, and cut that in half, and then we're gonna start to cut out our slices. Now, do you guys see where cutting off the ends come in at? Because do you guys see the type of slices that you would end up with, which are nice even slices that will pretty much feed everybody. Like I said, you can cut them as thick or as thin as you want, but I'm pretty much just gonna core these, meaning just take the meat out and throw the rinds away, because my kids just like to take these out the fridge, and I forgot to take the label off. That's what you see me doing right there. But yeah, my kids just like to go ahead and get some with dessert, or have some with breakfast, and I put these in a pitcher and just keep them in the fridge, and they just go in and take out what they want. So I went on ahead and I did the same thing to the other end, and then I'm going to take the other slice, and then I'm going to cut that in half as well, and do the exact same thing that I did to this end. So like I said, if you guys are at a barbecue at the park, or at a swimming party, pool party, whatever the case may be, and you have a watermelon, this right here will make the cut a lot easier, so that way you will make sure that everyone is able to get a slice. Now, before y'all come with the, oh, I cut my watermelon this way, that way, whatever way you may do it, I know there's a lot of different ways there is to cut up your watermelon. I'm just sharing with you guys a way that I was brought up doing it, and it works. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going ahead and slice that up, and yeah, so like I said, I'm just gonna clean off my area there first, and then I'm gonna core these, which I'm not gonna show you guys, because you guys know, just cut the watermelon meat out, and that is pretty much it. So here is all the watermelon after I cut it up, and then like I said, I'm gonna slice this up and then get it into my pitcher to go into the fridge. So that's it for this video, guys, of me showing you how to slice up a watermelon. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.